I don't think it's supposed to rain, but like, it looks like it's gonna rain. Leaving work now, getting changed. Pretty productive day though. I helped Alan jumpstart his car. His battery's in the back, so it was really hard. Weighed a couple stuff up. Among other things. So far, a pretty productive day. I'm leaving though. It's 2 o'clock. I'm going home.
Few inches later.
Just a good buzz. Not really, it was actually a scissor cut. Whenever I get a haircut, it never really looks good when I get the haircut, and then I take a shower, and then it looks okay. You know, I'm kind of like the opposite of everyone else, I think. Everyone usually gets a haircut, it looks great, and then they take a shower and it's all ruined. My dad went there. Me and my dad went there. My dad was there when I got there. And his is easy, he just shaves everything off. And then he left. He paid for me, which is great, but then he left. I was like... Update. Scooter needs a new battery. Don't order it online. End of update. Alright, got some work done. Gotta go pick up Emily from play practice.
Yeah, I was so confused.
What? That was all gibberish.
I wasn't sure if this was your car or not, so it felt really weird coming. But hi!
You got anything?
Oh, the same thing.
Make that two.
What a gent.
Really fun. That's weird. My automatic window just started magically working. It only did automatic down. It didn't do automatic up until just now. It's a Burger King miracle. Ooh, lightning. Sit in your bed. Sit in your bed.
Sit down, buddy. Sit down. Good boy.
Ooh. Ah. Ready? Woo! Ooh, lightning. No, it just sucks because, like, I spent the first half of this video or so not doing storm-related things, and now I'm going to spend the rest of this video doing storm-related things. So, I guess this is going to be a half vlog. Go, 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 go! Lucky, you gotta go back up.
What is that?
The storm's over.
What? That candle? No, it's not.
Alright, change of plan, we're going back down. Let's go, pick this up.
Alright, are we bringing the food? Wait, we should
Yeah, we're bringing the
leave
food.
Lucky up here.
Why?
Because he's gonna look, trying to eat our food. What?
The second we go upstairs, it starts like thundering as like hell again. So we're gonna come down here and watch Netflix. Good boy, Lucky. Alright, let's eat our sub.
I am.
Lucky, do you have a problem? Are you gonna be a problem, Lucky? That's what I thought. It's so hard to record this and actually participate.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
L-A-I.
Ooh. What you guys doing?
We're writing the periodic table in Portuguese words.
What?
Yeah. So
That's awesome.
What is it?
B and what?
B and E. Wait, what element is that? A B and E? Beryllium?
Beryllium?
Beryllium. Oh my god, I'm so close!
Yo, I did that project, something like it, and my element was magnesium.
MG? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm dead.
Not paying attention.
Okay. Number 1.
M and D, like mad.
I hope it doesn't rain. That would suck.